Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to customize notifications in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, you have to click here on the Start icon with Windows logo and find in the pinned panel Settings application. Click on it. And here in the center of display, on the third place of list, you will see Notifications button. Here in first menu, you can totally turn off notifications and then you will not receive them. But you can also click here on the arrow and you will see more delicate settings of notifications that you can change. And in the second menu, you can choose from which applications you will receive notifications. You can, for example, turn off notifications from your internet browser. And also you can click on this arrow and separately for each app change notifications settings. For example, I don't want playing a sound when I get notification from privacy app. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, support our channel, and the most important thing, have a great day.